Hello, AP Studio Art students. Ms. DeSalt here. This is lesson 1 for a sustained investigation exploration. Just a reminder that AP Studio Art is inquiry-based. All year, you're going to be working on a guided question, one guiding question to create a self-directed body of work, so portfolio. Instead of an exam, you will be turning in a portfolio or body of work through photographs and actual artwork. Now, there are 3 major core skills for AP Studio Art. Core skill 1, inquiry and investigation. Core skill 2 is making art through practice, experimentation, and revision, which is why that sketchbook is so very important. And then finally, core skill 3, communication and revision. For this lesson, we are going to focus on core skill 1, inquiry and investigation. And our learning objective for today is to identify the inquiry or essential questions that will guide your sustained investigation. And this is going to be a couple-step process of you thinking about ideas and then narrowing it down. And again, inquiry is simply the process of asking questions in order to seek, to search, and to discover. No one's an expert here. We are going into this year with an open mind, curious mind, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Now, before you start thinking about what your question is, this is a short video I'd like you to watch about knowing what your why is when you're doing something creative. This is a comedian, Michael Jr. So when you know your why, your what has more impact. So thinking about art, you're obviously very skilled. That is why you are taking on this challenge of college level art in high school. So beyond the technical skill of the making, what is your why? Take a minute now, pause this video, and I'd like you to write down a sentence or two in your sketchbook reflection. Now, just a reminder for the Sustained Investigation Portfolio exam portion of the portfolio, you will be submitting 15 images total. Now, these images must demonstrate sustained investigation of your ideas, processes, and materials, synthesis of materials, processing ideas. So that's your artwork together creates a story. Obviously, technical skills, 2D and 3D. And then finally, you're going to be doing some writing about your work, and we'll practice that quite frequently starting today, just thinking about that guiding question. Now, for your sustained investigation topic, there are many different categories that you can explore. Interactions, combinations and juxtapositions, technical concerns, society and human interaction. These are all really complex and interesting topics that you could think about. Now, on the assignment page, I have this list of potential topics and even more. I found this list from the Art of Education. It's a wonderful resource. Now, of course, you can choose something from this list or go on your own. Now, finally, for mastery check number 1, the first thing I want you to do is research. Think about ideas that you'd like to explore. Write down 3 possible questions you could ask yourself and research as a sustained investigation topic in your sketchbook. Then next to each topic, write down the reason why you chose that topic. When you're finished, show me the next time we have class. Simple as that. Since you are in other studio classes and we don't have one just for AP students, you can show me anytime you see me, or you could submit a photo. You are welcome to move on once you're finished with this portion to lesson 2. Okay, and just a reminder that you're not limited to 3 topics. You can revisit and revise this mastery check as many times as needed. But next lesson, you will work to narrow it down to your topics down to 1. If you have any questions, know that I'm always available in the classroom, through email, or you're welcome to text my Google Voice number. We can go from there. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what topics you come up with.